In today's video, I will guide you on how you can install OptiFine on Minecraft 1.16. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go into google.com, and from here you want to search for OptiFine, and then you should have this result right here. So you can go into optifine.net, and this is where you could download the legit OptiFine. So from here you want to click here on downloads. And now you would want to click here on show all versions, and then you would want to search for the Minecraft version that you'd want. So in this video, we would want the 1.16. So you would need to scroll down and choose the version of 1.16 that you'd want to download. Let's say 1.16.5. Click here on download. And now from here is that you would need to click here on the skip ads. So just wait for 2 seconds right here. And here it is. Click here on skip and click now on download. And now it will now be downloaded based on the download manager that you have. So in my case, I have a download manager, so it's automatically sent here. But if you don't have one, then it should be here on your Chrome browser. Now from here, I just need to open a file location, and then I just open the OptiFine file, and then you should have something like this. So from here, all you have to do now is install. You don't have to worry about this because if you already have Minecraft installed in your computer, then it would automatically detect on where this should be installed. So once you're all good, click here on install. And then from here is that you just need to wait for it to finish installing, and you should now be able to find it on your Minecraft launcher. However, if the OptiFine installer is not opening up, then what you could do is that you would need to install Java first. So I highly recommend going to google.com and go into Java install and click here on download Java, and basically just download this app right here. So now you would want to click here on Windows Online right here. And now you would need to download this, and then just simply run this file to install the Java on your computer. And then after that, you should now be able to run the OptiFine file just fine. So that's it on how you could do this. I hope this video has been helpful. Kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.